For this recipe, you'll need gluten-free quick oats, dried fruit of your choice. I'm using banana chips this time, but I also love to use dried blueberries. Your nuts of choice, I'm using pecans and walnut. Unsweetened shredded coconut, brown sugar, maple syrup or honey, unsalted butter, cinnamon, salt, and vanilla extract. In a large bowl, add 3 cups of quick oats, half a cup of dried fruit, 1 cup of nuts, half a cup of unsweetened shredded coconut, 1 to 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix well to combine. Next, add your butter, brown sugar, and maple syrup to a small pot and bring to a boil. I also added in half of a ripe banana to add more flavor, but it's completely optional. Take the mixture off the heat and add in the vanilla extract. Add the sugar mixture to the dry ingredients and mix very well. Once it's all combined, add your mixture to a covered baking pan and press into a thin, even layer. The granola is going to cook at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. Make sure to keep an eye on it though. It should be lightly browned all over, but make sure it doesn't get too dark around the edges. 18 minutes always works perfectly for me. This is how it'll look when it's finished baking. It's going to be pretty hot and soft at this point, so let it cool for 30 minutes to an hour before breaking it up. I always store my granola in a dry glass jar. It should keep for about a month or so this way, but you can also freeze it if you plan to store it for longer. This is my favorite granola recipe because it's super simple and easily customizable. This time I went for more of a banana nut granola flavor, but I also love using dried blueberries and almonds.